3-2 on the board for the Iranian. Karachev just doing his best to break his man down, only needs a point. And as we've seen throughout the day today, you don't need a single for a point for the Kyrgyz wrestler. And again, the action on the feet again after that head pinch attempt. 17 seconds left on the clock. What can Karachev try and pull out at the back here? And a point against the Iranian, not doing enough. But the referee doesn't give. But a beautiful outside single attempt here from the Kyrgyz wrestler. Brings his opponent down for 2 points. Beautiful single leg and trip. And with 1 second left, that will be it. As he is on the shot clock, in 15 seconds he doesn't score, a point will go to the Kyrgyz wrestler. And we all know Toktomambetov can really hold these 1 point leads. He's very good. Staying low, keeping his hands in front of him, which is the most important. First point of contact when the opponent shoots in should be the hands. And 1 minute 36, great shot. And he's in on that single again, trying to lock the hands together. You see him just crawling his fingers up his opponent. Trying to work now on that body lock, trying to... Gets it done. Battle tested, battle wounded. Gets the job done here in Tirana, Albania.